Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I will be doing my very first Scratch tutorial, because I haven't done one yet. So, first things first, we are doing a pathfinding, so for the enemy to be able to walk around on its own, and just kind of walk around. You don't have to have as complicated move code as me. But anyway, what you do need is, you don't need the player, but you do need the level and the enemy. Now, here's what you're gonna need to do. So, you don't need to have a hitbox, that's alright. So you're gonna duplicate this, okay? And then you're going to draw a line from the center of it out to the edge. And you're going to take it and you're going to drag it over here to the end of it, so that it is sensing it right there. So that is using that as a sensor, pretty much. So what it's doing, so we're gonna set rotation style left, right. You don't need to do this, unless you have something like this. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna do forever. We're gonna need to make a block, alright? We're gonna title this, wall check, run without screen refresh. Now, we're going to call this, alright? And here's what we're going to do. We're going to switch costume to this one with the line. And we are going to set rotation style all around. And we're going to do... Oh yeah, something I forgot to do. Make sure it points in a certain direction at the very start, just to make sure it's all set up. So it's set rotation style to all around. Then, if touching the level, not player, the level, make sure you're saving, if touching the level, then we are going to turn right by 90 degrees. And then repeat until not touching level, turn right by 90 degrees. And then we're going to move it. I'm going to say 5. Alright, so if we're going to make this, wait 1 second before doing that. Alright, so if we do this, okay. So let's, hold on. Oh, I see. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to delete the bear and use my hitbox, because it's a lot better than using this. So just going to add the hitbox. Right. Okay. So now it's going to keep going until it hits the wall. I think we can go ahead and get rid of the wait 1 second. Now this will happen. So something that we can do to stop this. Why do I have this? Right, so you need to make a variable, and the variable will be called direction change for this sprite only. Right? So before it turns 90 degrees, we're going to set direction change to pick random 1 to 2. And then we are going to do an if then else. I guess we don't really need this. An if then else. Oh my gosh. Alright, this will change the direction that it turns. Whether it turns right 90 or left 90. So if the direction change equals 1, then it will turn right. But if it equals 2, it will turn left. So let's test that out. Okay, there we go. That kind of worked. It kind of got stuck. So if that happens, then you might just need to make this shorter. Smaller hitboxes. Smaller hitboxes are very important. Okay. Running into bugs is okay. Okay. So that seems to be working. Okay, so now we can go ahead and have it go back to the bear costume and take a look at this. So now it will randomly walk around the map. So yeah, And if you want it to chase the player when it gets close enough, we can put this, separate that off, put this in if then else. Alright, if, then we need a less than, let's say 30. And we're going to find this distance to block. Distance to player is less than 30. Then we are going to point towards player and move towards it. So now, when I get close enough, okay, maybe 30 is a bit too small, let's try it. 50. $100. $200. Okay, actually, that's a fair distance away. I believe it is moving faster than the player, too. Oh! I think I broke the game. It's alright. If that happens, then... yeah, I don't... yeah, okay. Alright, so yeah, 150 I'd say is a pretty safe distance. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you want to see more of my content like this, then go ahead and subscribe. To know that you enjoyed this type of content. This is my first time doing this kind of thing. So yeah, if you like this, please do those things. Turn on the bell for notifications. If we still have a bell, I don't think we do. I think it's just... I don't know. Anyway, support this. Just support this if you like this. Bye.